Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Every week I like to feature something from Amazon. I get shipments from Amazon probably five days a week. But every week I like to feature something that it's really nice for woodworking that was cheap. And I got a lot of comments early on in my videos about safety on my table saw and stuff, and although I feel like I'm pretty safe, there's always a room for improvement. So anyway, I ordered this box. It's called the Fulton Safety Woodworking Push Block and Push Stick Package 5-piece set, and it was $18. And this is the best. This is a really good set. So get rid of that. Anyway, you got push sticks for the table saw. There's a couple different sticks for the table saw, and then you got your big push stick, which would be really good on the joiner. And then I've used this one on my bandsaw. I was cutting some shims on the bandsaw, and it worked extremely well. It felt really good in my hand, and whatever kind of foam they have on the bottom, it works really well. So yeah, they give you two of these. Of course, they're different handles. I guess they figured maybe one you'll like and one you won't. I don't know. I don't know why they give you different handles. But they're both really nice. So you got 3 flat, a big one and 2 little ones, and 2 push sticks for your table saw for $18. I mean, I can't even buy the wood to make, wood's expensive nowadays. So to even produce 1 or 2 of these for $18, so this was a good deal. So anyway, I'll post the description of this and where I got it. But it's on Amazon, and it's $18. And I'm really happy with it. So, Fireside Chat with the Outlaw, $18. It's a good deal. Once a week I'm going to post my Amazon deal of the week, which I thought was pretty good. And this week it's push blocks, $18. And you can't go wrong with safety if especially at my age. I'm almost 60, and injuries don't heal like they used to. So I try to avoid them. Anyway, have a good day. Later. Push blocks, $18. See ya.